One thing that helps me to move on through life and to achieve my dreams and my passion, work in my passion all the time, is practicing the law of detachment. The law of detachment, if you truly express yourself and follow it, you basically attach no expectation or nothing on to whatever happens in your life. You become truly untethered and navigate through life and see them only as experiences. Of course, it can be more difficult to apply it in a more difficult context. For example, the death of a loved one. I don't mean it in a way where you cannot grieve and have the grieving process, think about them. But for example, to give you something that can help you detach yourself when you lose someone that was very important to you in your life, is to realize since we are interconnected with everything, is that they are always here. And you can still see them in another form. The way I see death now is just you take another form, you go back to spirit, you lose your physical form, but you are still here in a way, just through spirit or in a different form. So for example, if let's say you lose your mother, your father, or any other person really, a loved one, you can still see them and have interaction with them in other realms, in your dreams. You just have to set the intention and open yourself to have interaction with them in a different dimension. Because truly, us as humans, we have many different forms, and our psyche, our state of being, truly our spirit exists, our consciousness exists on multiple planes of existence. This that we see here right now is just the third dimension where we exist physically, but we can exist on multiple planes of existence all at once, and we can meet ourselves on this plane of existence at any given moment. So if you lose a pet, you might receive a visit from them in dreams. It happens to me after, I would say, in that period in 2023 where I say I lost everything, basically because I wanted a better life. I had 3 cats. I had a cat that I was really in connection with it. And when that cat passed away, even though the cat still wasn't with me physically, that cat decided to visit me. And this is where I understood that cat had passed away and stayed with my previous partner at the time I had. So truly, when you live in that space, when you understand you are everything and everything is connected, there's nothing really ever lost. It's just only an illusion once again. So it allows you to free yourself and remove the suffering that you may create for yourself by attaching an importance and identity to a loved one. You just have to grow outside of it and allow it to come in a more profound and lighter way.